Hi, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a rundown of how Love Luxury's 2022 went and all the amazing things that happened. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So 2022 January started off with Love Luxury taking on this amazing premises that we're in here now. This is 48 Beauchamp Place and we literally moved in at the very beginning of January. And while the ground and basement floors were being renovated, we worked from the first and second floor, ran our business from here, and it was a real eye-opening experience. We had so many hiccups along the way of the renovation of the ground and basement floor. We had a massive flood, we couldn't find matching tiles, and then after we'd done all of these amazing things to make the shop look amazing, we realised we needed bank grade safes and had to cut a massive hole in the floor to get them in. The final touches were little bits of interior design, cushions, carpeting, chairs, and all of these things fell together and we basically opened the shop, our first Love Luxury shop, at the beginning of March 2022. So with the opening of the shop in March 2022, we saw so many more new clients. We had footfall. We're in an amazing area, which is Knightsbridge. It was a really enriching experience to be able to have so many people come to us that would never have found us before. This was a massive step for Love Luxury and our shop. We were plodding along, making the business work, finding new clients, selling new items, growing our stocks, and then June of 2022 came along, and that was an amazing and momentous occasion for us because ITV released the show £1 Million Pawn that we at Love Luxury starred in. Now this was something we'd been keeping under our hats for a really long time. It wasn't easy. We couldn't talk about it. We were signed NDAs. We weren't allowed to advertise it until we were given the nod. And it was a really quick and short space of time that we were told, yes, you can advertise it. And it's going on live Wednesday, for example. It was a really short space of time, but it was so exciting and it was so great to see everything that went on the show. £1 Million Pawn showed everybody what we do here at Love Luxury. We're Muslims, we work under Sharia law, we don't offer interest, we buy items and we resell them. And it was a really exciting time for us. Lots of people watched the show. We got some amazing feedback. And if you didn't get around to watching it, you can still watch £1 Million Pawn Series 2. We're on episodes 2 to 6, I believe, or 2 to 5. And that's on the ITV Hub and you can still watch that now. Summer of 2022 here in England was absolutely crazy. We had temperatures reaching 40 degrees in this shop. It was unbelievable. We had people from all over the world coming here to buy bags and meeting new clients. It was just a spectacular summer for us. What was great about opening the shop and the business expanding was that we were able to offer more people more jobs. Our team numbers rose from 2 to 10 in a very short space of time. And it's so enriching for us to know that we have been able to give 10 individuals jobs that are helping them live their lives. In August of 2022, after loads of hard work and input from myself and Adam and our web development team, our new website was launched. New and improved, new style, more modern and a much better consumer experience. October 2022 saw our social medias completely skyrocket and take off. Our TikTok went from a couple of thousand to over 600,000 people following us by the end of 2022. That to me is mind-boggling. Our Instagram was stuck at 21,000 followers. It wasn't going anywhere. And then out of the blue, we started gaining a rush of followers. And by the end of 2022, we had over 128,000 people following us on Instagram alone. And then our YouTube subscribers went from a couple of hundred to over 5,500 subscribers in a very short space of time. It was this social media growth that made Love Luxury become a name that is trusted in the pre-Love Luxury sales bracket. And for us, it was just a really nice acknowledgement of all the hard work and dedication that Adam, myself, our children and our team members put into Love Luxury. All of that hard work for the last 18 months was really paying off. By the end of December, our stocks had risen from a couple of tens of Hermes bags to at least 100 Hermes bags on our shop floor at one time. Our stock flow was going steadily, new bags coming in and going out, and the hundreds of Chanel bags that we had in stock just completely sold out. We were left with little to no stock whatsoever. Not only were we selling huge amounts of handbags throughout the year, but also our watch sales was skyrocketing. Love Luxury became a brand that people knew and trusted, and they knew that they could come to us and they would be getting authentic, genuine items at a fair market price. Many other brands passed through our hands during the year of 2022, and the turnover, as I said, was just unbelievable. We went from being able to walk down a street anonymously to literally every time we step out of the door, no matter where we go, there's always somebody asking for a photograph or to talk to us or to congratulate us on how well we're doing. And I have to be honest, the overwhelming response that we get from people is how happy they are for us and that they can see how hard we've worked and that they feel that we're genuine and honest people. And there is nothing nicer for Adam and myself to hear from people who've watched us on the telly, who've watched us grow on social media, who've seen that our development of the business has really improved. It's so wonderful and heartwarming to hear people say these amazing things to us. And the emails and messages that we get are majority so positive and lovely, and we are so grateful to everybody who takes the time out, because we know it's not easy, it can be intimidating, but that actually takes the time out, comes to us and congratulates us, and we really are very just overwhelmed by the people that do that. And lastly, but most importantly, our success in business has allowed us to give away huge sums of cash in charitable donations. But not only that, we've been able to initiate a bi-weekly giveaway, and that means that those loyal followers of Love Luxury are able to get a little taste and a little bit of appreciation for us giving back a small item that they can love. None of this development, none of this exposure would be possible without our loyal clients and followers, and we are eternally grateful for the amazing response and customer dedication that we've received here at Love Luxury. So that's the end of 2022, but we're in January of 2023 and things are set to become even crazier here at Love Luxury, but not just for us, but for you guys too. We're going to be launching a subscription website which gives you the opportunity to gain knowledge and also have a taste of the billionaire lifestyle for a very small subscription fee. Thank you so much for the year of 2022. We cannot say thank you enough. We really do appreciate everybody's kindness, their business, and their positive vibes that they've sent our way. Thank you again. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment.